Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wayne, and this is my house that I am currently building 100% out of pocket. I did not get a loan. I am not doing it through a mortgage. This is all through my pure blood, sweat, and a little tears here and there, but we won't get into that. It's been a 4-year ongoing project so far, and I estimate I have at least another 2 years to go before completion. At present, I still have lots of little finishing touches to do. I have to get regulated by the local power company. I'm redoing a kitchen counter, this time out of concrete. I still have to connect the water from the rainwater catchment tank to the house and install a hot water heater. I'm working on the 2.5-car garage, which I forgot to do earlier on in the process. And I recently also started painting the entire house. That is basically where I am. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. In my next video, I am planning to include the fencing of the entire property and all the fruit trees and spice I plan on air layering and planting, as well as some of the landscaping ideas I plan on implementing. That's all I have time for right now, folks. If there's something you would like me to include in my next video, please feel free to comment below and let me know. As usual, I appreciate and thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share.